that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, with an everything.
Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, we will be working with the lovely UNice hair. For this wig, in today's video, what I did was showed you guys how I did my glued install with my baby hairs and how I got the hair to look so gorgeous. This wig is from UNice, of course, and they sent me this 22-inch loose deep wave 13x4 frontal unit, and I'm living for it. As you guys can see, it's gorgeous. The curl pattern is everything, and if you'd like to get your hands on this unit, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. I'm gonna not ramble on because we need to hurry up and get into the tea on how I did this wig, so definitely keep on watching.
To resist you, we can get away. Palm trees, beach views, with an everything. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away, but you don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around.
Okay, mamas, so I am halfway out the door and this is just what the hair looks like. It is so beautiful, and against this black, it's definitely giving like jet black, even though it's a natural color. I really love this wig from UNice Hair. It was so easy to work with, and do you guys see how gorgeous it dried down after diffusing? You can also air dry. I diffused until it was like 40% dry, and then I finished up with air drying, and literally chef's kiss, because the hair is perfect. It's not super big, and it's not even dry all the way. It's still a bit of the roots that are still just wet, but that is perfect because at least I get like a controlled look and it's not too crazy. But as of right now, I'm loving it. This wig that I got from UNice is actually a 22-inch loose deep wave wig, and it was a 13x4 frontal unit. So of course, you know, we got the baby hairs on deck or the edges, and I'm living for this look. So if you'd like to purchase this super easy, gorgeous, affordable unit from UNice, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, babes.